Hey guys, it's me John from The Life of David and John, and today is 10:44 a.m. Our checkout is at 11, so I'm doing the intro here just to have one last look sa hotel. Yan. This has served us for more than a week, so yeah. Punta kami Osaka. Okay, so apparently that's how you check out. Yun na, tapos na. Check out this job to key in the checkout box. Thank you for staying with us. We look forward to seeing you again. Okay. Nice. Okay guys, so here we are sa Osaka Station, and we're gonna exit sa south. Exit to ride another train para sa Osaka na stop. Here's the station. I don't think we've been here before. Yeah. But ito elevator oh. Elevator na tayo boy, pataas na. Baba lang. Okay, now so after you exited through the south gate, we're going to the subway Midosoji line to go to Umeda because now we're in Osaka. Because that's where our hotel is. Yeah. Full of escalators and stuff. Ang hirap i-maneuver tong luggage namin kasi hindi siya mabigat. Pero malaki siya. Ay, yung sapatos ko. Some skid marks, bro. On my white shoe. Hurts. Okay, here's a train. So from Umeda M16, we're gonna stop at the next stop, M20, which is Namba station. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4 train stops from Shinosaka. Then we make Ipa to Midosuji line. Yeah, M20. And I know we're in a quote-unquote normal train today. We didn't really use the train station sa Kyoto. We just went around the area. Tapos nagpapas na. All bus is pero at least hindi ka na mababad kaas na mga handa na sobrang galing. You know. Yeah. Okay, so nag-taxi na kami papuntang sa hotel, FL Hotel, and sa Toyota Crown kami, and I'll show you the compartment later kung ano yung mukha ng namin bagahe, kasi kung kanina parang minivan yung sinakyan namin taxi, tapos ngayon full size sedan. Hanga kayo. Okay, so here's the quote-unquote entrance of the hotel, and here in front of me we have the free station on which you can get 2 pieces of bread every day for free. So if the first hotel, the free stuff there was ice cream, the free stuff here is bread, but it's not only kumpara dun sa una, pero you know, tapos may coffee machine sila ng Myong may kape. Ayun. Okay, so here in the area, that is our hotel, FL Hotel Dotonbori. So yeah, Dotonbori kami. And we're just roaming around. It's currently around 3:40 p.m. The check-in time is it 3:40? Yeah, 3:40. No, 2:40. Ano ba? 2? But 1:40 lang pala to. Oh, 2:40 pala, sorry. And yeah, we're just roaming around looking for a place to eat. Kasi yung check-in time is 4 p.m. So we're not gonna wait that long. So yeah, hagalan muna, then check-in mamayang gabi. Okay, now so we are officially like quote-unquote inside at Dotonbori pala. Here's the view. I will stretch the camera up. I don't think you can hear me this high. I'll try to speak. If not, I'll just lay over some music then. I'll use the 2-level extension. Oh shit, extension. Pangit mo, ma.
Hindi kaya ng bibig ko. Kunin mo lahat.
Grabe. Uy, grabe ka naman sa... Tayo na nakatingin ako si ano.
Bawa sa bisyan. Hold up.
Tikas nung... Ano ito? Nakaw. Ba't nakapila na agad si Boy? Haba na pila. Kasi ko yung anti-wind neto. Tapos ko electric fan ko. Tapos yun natin kung nahihinya pa ako. Pero yun, this place has a variety of foods. Dito may takoyaki, okonomiyaki doon na parang street food style. Dito naman, tapos sa gilid-gilid nyo may wagyu na place naman. So, you know, you can look for any kind of food you want here. Tingnan nyo guys, nag-aalok ng ice cream. Kaya, yung nakakaloko. Magkano kaya yun? Let's eat. Let's go.
Sa inyo?
Ayun sa amin eh.
So guys,
Ayun sa nila.
Okay.
order na tayo. May rice, may soup. May ano tapat?
Crab fried rice.
Crab fried rice.
Una ko dyan, squid crab.
Snow crab.
Squid.
Snow crab too.
King crab.
King crab. Sorry, king crab. Ay, order niyo pa. Raw fish. Let's go.
Dark,
Okay na guys.
malt beer. Tapos coke.
Dark malt beer.
Tubig lang ba to?
So yan, kaya may coke ako
Ito, ah?
kasi
Oh, yeah.
Hindi, mali. Ito yun. Ayan, dito. Wala ka.
ba't may tubig na?
Sabi ni baby, ito ko nalagay.
Let's go guys. Carbonated ata yun. Diba? Let's go. Ano?
May hard na yun. Hard yun. Ulit ako, ba't may hard?
Hindi na tinikman ni Patrick.
Ito mo? Meron nung ininom ko. Meron na eh.
Baby.
Let's
Daddy.
go.
Pakita mo ngayon yung mga iniinom. Ba't yung
Kalokohan ni Patrick.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Huwag ka na kumahat yung braso ko eh. Yun na kumahat yung braso.
Yeah. Okay lang pala. Ay mo order ka? Pwede naman, sa'yo mo famous to eh. Takoyaki Juhachiban Sons Dotonbori. Okay, Mom said this is a very famous. Uy, there's a Shiba Cafe. Oh. Bumalik na naman dito sa Dingxi. I highly recommend this place. Let's go to the second floor.
Second floor, you have the money, right?
Yeah. Okay. Gawin ko na yun? Okay.
Sa amin ni Papa yung ano lang.
Brown sugar milk.
Ayoko nang yan ah.
Fit check. Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Okay, let's get it. Let's get the milk tea, guys.
Ito na guys, milk tea sa... Ito yung pangalan na?
Less ice. Ay, less ice,
Ding
less
tea.
sugar.
Shake for lang.
Pamatamis?
Let's go guys. Let's go. Ito na guys, we are back. And tapos na kumain. May kinakawain sila sa taas. Ah, may camera guys. May camera, kita sila sa camera.
What? What?
Kaya pala sila nakakaway dun.
Where? Sa camera?
Oh.
Live ba yan? Live yan, ayan o.
Let's go guys, ano tayo? Lakad tayo sa Dotonbori. Para kung may ano ngayon, may fishing rod. Ang haba lang inawakan ko. Pero pang ano ko talaga to. Ah, ayun. Tarapat! Let's go!
Yung parang pag in-extend ko ito ng ano, max.
Okay, so dito kami sa Rikuro o sorry. Oji-san-no? Wala, hindi ko makita. Hindi ko mabasa yung kulay. Ito. So it's a Japanese cheesecake place. So yeah. Ito pa rin kinakaya naman palagi na ano, parang kanina lang, Isumaru Swiss at pala ang pangalan doon. Dragon. Ooh, more ano. There's a watch. What?
Ay, nabubusa잖아.
Oh, si Cinnamon. Okay, now we're in Kurumon Market. More of a palengke, quote-unquote palengke ng ano, Japan. Just behind us, maybe a 2 blocks behind us is the Dotonbori. So it's still the area is ano, still a shopping district area. Depende na lang kung saan pisngi ka. Kung more of palengke or like a shopping district. Or like yung shopping like bags and shoes and stuff. Okay guys, so that's the end of our vlog. We already washed up and
set up our stuff here sa hotel. It's 9:22 p.m. and yeah, thank you for watching. So we went from Kyoto to Osaka, and we're gonna be staying here until Sunday, and Monday is our flight home to Philippines. So yeah, sulitin na ang lahat. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye. God bless. Stay safe.